How to change password on FxPro. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to change your password on FxPro, then first of all, launch open the FxPro application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, and once logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from your profile page, click on Security Settings. Inside Security Settings, tap on Change Password. Enter your current password in the first field for FxPro and head over to the next field and enter a new password. Re-enter the new password once again in the last field where it says Repeat Password. Finally, click Change Password at the bottom. And there you go! You've successfully changed your password on FxPro. After you change your password, you'll be redirected to the sign-in page. Now you'll need to enter your email and the newly updated password to sign in. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.